Well, today we had the 13th annual Tim Harmon Run. It is in honor of Tim Harmon, who is the past director of CSB Residential Treatment Services. Well, Tim Harmon died of hepatitis C, and so it was his goal and his idea that we wanted to raise awareness so that we could stop the spread of hepatitis C. This year we had close to 800 participants, and that doesn't even include the spectators. And they come year after year, and the race seems to grow year after year. And everyone knows what it's there for. It's there to raise awareness for hepatitis and for substance abuse treatment, and also to just have a really nice time and enjoy our community. So we have runners, we have walkers, we have individuals that have been affected by substance abuse, individuals affected by hepatitis, we have county employees. We also have a special baby jogger division, and we have very young people participating from 6 years old and up. And we also typically have several people that are 80 years or older participating, and we have a special division for them as well. The race course goes all around the Government Center area and then ends right in front of the Government Center, where we have the trophy presentations and the silent auction and the sock monkey band playing. We have many alumni from our treatment programs that participate in the run as well. The race is actually very competitive. We often have people with very good times, very competitive times, but yet even the top runners come out not just to have the competition, but to show their support of TIM, hepatitis, and the substance abuse treatment programs in our neighborhood.
It's been a great day. It was a beautiful, weather was perfect, a little hot for running, but otherwise, an awesome day.
So many people are trying to stay healthy, and this is a really fun way to do it.
I would tell people to come out to this event because it's a well-run race, it's in a good location, and it's for a good cause.